So there are two things we talked about potentially happening yesterday, and both of them occurred. Wasn't really surprised that either of these took place. First and foremost, with the ADA charts, we got our bullish confirmation. All right, bullish momentum. We're still holding bullish momentum right now, even with the price coming down. And this price coming down is something I was not surprised by. We talked about the possibility of this happening. We needed to break past 68. We needed to break probably past 70 cents for a confirmation into this range, and we didn't get it. Now I have to say this. Does this show an overall weakness in ADA? No. Remember, this gap, ADA does not like to live in at all. Okay. Just as fast as we went up from 64 cents to 68 cents, we came down just as quickly. And a big reason because of this was when we got hit with our institutional selling in the morning in terms of BTC, retail just basically stopped. Retail that drove this whole way up, they just were like, okay, let's wait, see what happens here. We dropped into the mid 69K range. And because of that, that's what started basically this pullback in terms of ADA. All right. So because of that, again, ADA, low levels of liquidity here, does not like to live here. Came back down. We actually tested our 64 cent level, got a nice bounce. We're sitting at just above 65 cents right now, which is great. And we're still following our trend. So hopefully we can still hold our trend here and keep this bullish momentum to the upside. That'd be very nice to see. Now, what I do have to say is what helped us yesterday, although retail got spooked and kind of chilled, what actually helped us, and the other thing I was not surprised by, was a strong institutional money day. I talked about this in a SHIB video. I said that I would not be surprised if a little bit of FOMO set in for institutional money. And that's exactly what we saw. Don't be fooled. That's exactly what we saw. We went from having a week straight of selling negative days in terms of institutional money to having a weekday to start the week. A weekday of institutional money to start the week, only $15 million in inflows, to the biggest day we've seen since March 13th. Did not surprise me at all. Because guess what? When we look at these charts and look at this direction here, this was all set by retail. Retail was basically leaving institutional money behind, and we're like, see you later. That's what got this going. And now institutional money has stepped in and is showing a little bit of help, a little bit of support in the charts. Now, what we really need to see in order to continue this is we need retail money to step back in and say, okay, yep, we're going to keep moving this trend to the upside. Now, remember, ADA can move very, very quickly. It would not take much in terms of a push by BTC to get ADA to rescale this range. I'd like to see us get a nice hard bounce off of here and either, test this or test about 70 cents, come back down and do one of those. All right. Now, again, I want to show people what happened last time we got bullish momentum. I did show this yesterday. This bars chart here, you guys can see actually this retest is exactly what happened last time. Right now, we're just doing a little bit different of a time frame. That's okay. But don't be surprised by quick moves, because sometimes these can present, different additional opportunities to accumulate if that's what you're looking for. Basically look at it this way. We were at 68 cent ADA yesterday. You get kind of a 5% discount now. That's the way I always look at these things. I look for opportunity. So let's see if retail can step in, set another nice direction for the day, push us towards some of these short liquidation levels, and try to move the ADA charts up further. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.